Toyota is adopting the NACS inlet on its next generation battery EVs. And current owners of the 2022 through 2025 BZ4X are receiving a complimentary NACS adapter. This means all Toyota BEV drivers are gaining access to thousands of additional NACS superchargers across North America. More options, more convenience, and more power for your journey. Don't worry, finding a compatible NACS supercharging station is easy. Just open the Toyota app to locate the nearest one and get back on the road in no time. Using the adapter for NACS supercharging only requires a few steps. With the vehicle turned off and parked, remove your NACS adapter from its carrying case. Open the vehicle's charge port. Unhook the supercharger cable from the charging station and press the NACS unlock button on the bottom of the adapter to connect the supercharger cable to the adapter. And insert the adapter with the supercharger cable already attached into the charging port. Pause briefly for the vehicle and charger to communicate. And simply open the Toyota app to initiate charging. To help avoid overage fees, the Toyota app will notify you when your charging is complete. Once complete, stop the charging process on the Toyota app and unlock your vehicle. Press the CCS1 unlock button on the top of the adapter and carefully unplug the adapter and supercharger cable from the vehicle. Remove the supercharger cable from the NACS adapter by pressing the NACS unlock button and return the charging cable back to the station. Finally, close the charging port and store the NACS adapter in the provided carrying case to help prevent damage. Always be sure to follow the correct steps for connecting and disconnecting your vehicle to ensure safe use.
Pretty easy, right?
For more information, visit Toyota.com.